Today we are discussing the step-by-step procedure for design of a single reinforced beam. To find the area of the tensile steel, if the breadth, depth and mu is given. The first step is to determine XU max by D, page 70, cos 38.6, IS 456, 2000. Then step 2 is determine mu limit. For mu limit 0.36 XU max by D into 1 minus 0.42 XU max by D BD square FCK cross G11C page 96 IS 456 2000. Then step 3 is compare mu and mu limit. And if mu equal to mu limit, that is XU is equal to XU max, that's a balance section. For balance section, find out the AST is equal to mu divided by 0.87 Fy into D minus 0.42 XU max. Or can use this equation also, AST equals 0.36 FCK D XU max by 0.87 Fy cos G11A page 96. And if mu is less than mu limit, that is XU is less than XU max. It's an under-reinforced section. So in the under-reinforced section, mu is equal to 0.87 Fy AST D into 1 minus AST Fy divided by BD XCK. It's IS 456 G11 cos page 96. And if mu is greater than mu limit, it's an over-reinforced section. This section cannot be used for the RC design. So we have redesigned section or it's designed as a double reinforced beam. Another problem is to find out the size of the beam, dimension of the beam and area of the tensile steel. The step 1 is to determine the bending moment. If the bending moment is not given, if the bending moment is not given, first we have to assume the depth and breadth of the beam. D is equal to 1 by 3rd to 1 by 15 of span, effective span, and B is equal to D by 2 to D by 3. Let's select a suitable size of the B and D and then find out the dead load WD, dive load WL, then total load W. Then determine the descent factor load WU. WU equals W into gamma F, where gamma F is the partial safety factor, table 18, page 68, IS 456 2000. Calculate factored moment or descent moment. Mu is equal to WU L squared by 8. Or simply support the beam with UDL, or mu is equal to WL squared by 2 for a cantilever beam with UDL. Then next step is determine XU max by D as per cross 36.1 page 70 IS 456 2000. Then step 3 is determine the minimum depth required. So minimum depth required we are using mu limit is 0.36 XU max by D into 1 minus 0.42 XU max by D into BD square FCK. This is a cross G11C page 96 IS 456 2000. Then find out the D required is equal to square root of mu divided by 0.36 XU max by D into 1 minus 0.42 XU max by D into FCK. Then next step is compare D required and D assumed. Compare D required and D assumed. The D is assumed is greater than D required. The assumption is correct, and then provide assumed depth and calculate the overall depth. If D is less than required depth, assumed depth is less than required depth, the correction is correct, the assumption is not correct, so redesign. Then step 5 is determine area of steel required. So mu is equal to 0.85 Fy AST into D into 1 minus AST Fy divided by BD FCK. This IS 456 cross G11B page 96. Then step Next step is set the minimum area of steel. Minimum area of steel AS by BD at equal to 0.85 by F5. Across 26.511, page 47. Then choose a suitable diameter of the bar 5. Then find the area of one bar A5 is equal to pi into pi square by 4. And find the number of bars required. That is AST divided by A5.